Welcome back to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm Abin, one of NEFX, and today we are going to explore M2 Current Castle by Zach Norwood from January 18th, 1996. Let's see how this one goes. Actually, let me set this up real quick. Okay, ready to go. Oh wow, interesting way to start. 2 power-ups right from the get-go in an isolated room. Wondered if that was going to be like a descending platform at first into this big area. That would have been my first guess. Okay, this is kind of odd. I can't seem to go against the current. I'm just kind of stuck against the wall, so it looks like my best bet to get out of here would be to rise up, escape through the liquid. What's going on here? What the hell? Okay, so I'm able to go around the perimeter here. I'm going to take as much advantage of this invincibility as I can, although I'm having a hard time keeping control. I guess the idea is that you want to kind of position yourself relative to the vortex so that you can reach that center part of the map where there's some goodies, which is kind of a cool concept when you think about it. Like, yeah, it's kind of go just a bit against the current. It's kind of, oh, it's not pushing me in any one direction. Okay, that's kind of pushing me back. Let's see if I can get through here. Everything's sort of pushing me back. Don't seem to have any. Oh wait, it's showing on the map where the counter currents are, more or less, so I can get past them by going askew from them. Interesting. This is a very interesting concept. I've never experienced something quite like this in a Netmap before. So yeah, you can see on the map, their arrows pointing in the direction of the counter currents that kind of have to go to the side of those to get through to the other zone. You saw that just a bit ago. I'm going to avoid what I believe are teleportation parts, so I can get to the side right here. This is pretty cool. Maybe I'll make something that's sort of inspired by this concept. Whoops. Poor bots. Not advanced enough to be able to detect that it's futile to attack me in this state, unless they're a fusion one, of course. I'm going to be extra careful here to avoid running out into the current, where it would take me away from the points I so rightfully deserve. Now that my invincibility is run out, let's see if I can go through here. Of course, theoretically, in a regular multiplayer game, players would be doing what I'm doing right now, but bots can't even really swim. Anyway, that's it for that map. Current Castle. Very interesting concept. Next up, we have Octagon 2.0 by Ben Matasar. Oh, M2 Octagon 2.0. Alright. Okay. Jeez. See, is there anything on the bottom of these? This is just like a hideout position, more or less. And what's more, the bots would be able to detect that I'm in there, unlike regular human players. At least they'd be better able to more often. Anything down here? So far I've only encountered one bot. Okay, there's something at the bottom of the water. Of course, at this point I'm about to die, unless I can find some shield sources around here. Okay. Interesting, a whole tunnel network. A lot have died here. I guess they got stuck. It's a cool sniping spot. Of course, they don't have the best weapon for it. Run out of rockets. Okay, I think that's just about everything to explore. Oh, I'm surprised I survived that. Is there anything down here? Okay, yeah, I've been here before. Oh, what's this? Oh, nothing. Is it totally fake, switchable texture? Might have been made and left there by accident. Looks like all four of those quadrants, those pools have been explored. I'm surprised I survived that too. This is kind of weird that it's taking me so long to die. It's about the same location that I almost died before. Okay, that's it for that one, and that's all for today. Next time on Marathon Arena Adventures, we will go through M2 Suicide 1 by Butch Masoni. We're finally getting into the first of the Suicide map packs. That one has 5 levels, so that will be good fun. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.